using these new BlackBerry 10 devices. We see people coming in talking about them in stores. Myself personally, I've went to quite a few of the top customers, corporate customers in Singapore, where their IT guys are saying, how do we get these set up specifically for our CEOs that are coming in and saying, I want the new BlackBerry 10. They've had some of these very, very successful people that use their BlackBerry as the primary communication tool for everything that they do. These guys do millions, if not billions, dollars of worth of business, and they do it right from their BlackBerry. And now they want the newest, they want the latest and greatest. There's a lot of excitement coming out of that. One of the things you may have noticed as you came in was the evolution of BlackBerry we had down the hallway. This is pretty exciting. It's a little trip down memory lane. I've been with RIM, or now it's BlackBerry of course, I've been with BlackBerry for almost 7 years. When I first started, I was on the AT&T business unit, and I was there for 2 weeks, and then we launched the Pearl 8100. That was huge. It was this little phone. It had a different keyboard on it. I remember going around and talking to people about it, and the #1 phone at the time was Motorola Razr. And this was thinner than the Razr, shorter than the Sliver, and lighter than both. And that marked a huge transition. But in terms of technology, we haven't seen such a massive transition as we've seen from BB7 to the new BB10. So introducing the BlackBerry Q10. Now what this has is the latest, the greatest BlackBerry 10 operating system. But what we've done is combined it with a keyboard that anybody who's used a BlackBerry before would say the best keyboard on a smartphone device. This thing is fast. It's been designed right down to the crevices of the space between the keys, the way the keys are shaped, the way the keys are formed. And it provides a whole new experience. And we didn't just add on a keyboard, we integrated in the keyboard into the operating itself. My colleague's going to come up and he's going to show you how we integrated this keyboard into the operating system to make it even better. We have new things coming to this device, and hopefully to the other devices coming up soon. One of them is HDR, so high dynamic ranging on our camera. This is really cool. It just makes your pictures so much better. When the BlackBerry 10 first came out, we had that really cool time shift. And everybody's seen the time shift feature. Every time I show it to people, they're amazed. You take a picture, the faces show up, you can change it, you can go back in time, you can go forward in time. It's like a mini time machine for your pictures. Now with the high dynamic ranges, it's even going beyond that. What we also have is a very solid device that has a lot of engineering behind it. My colleague is going to talk about how solid this device is. It's also got a very timeless design to it. It looks similar to the old devices, but new, more exciting. On the back, it's got this really interesting glass weave finish. It's very light, it's very durable, and it's really pretty when you see it in the light. It's something you want to put up on the table when you go to a restaurant. You want people to see that's the device that you're using, because it's got that premium finish. We want you to buy accessories, but I think a lot of people are going to be wanting to show off this back and then the premium from it. So before we go too much farther, what I want to do is show you a video of the building of the Q10 and the introduction of the Q10, so you guys can get a real idea of what our team has been doing to present to you this device.